Hi, guys. Today I want to tell you how I claim a gift from blockchain project. This blockchain project is running a welcome gift for new users. I claimed a reward with the promo code MEDI26. I've discovered a winning strategy for the tower game. I'm raising the bet to 20 and setting the risk to medium. The goal is to reach the 6th floor by moving diagonally, so I change sides with each floor I pass. Reaching the 6th floor gives me a juicy 64x return. With a 20 bet, that's over 1 grand. Wow, I must be really lucky to reach the 6th floor on the first try. When I lose, I always switch the starting side. To wager the welcome bonus, I need to bet the total amount I have received. With a 20 bet, I need to place 25 bets. For 25 bets, on average, I managed to reach the 6th floor 2 to 3 times. I wouldn't recommend going for the 7th or final floor, even though the payout is much higher. The odds of hitting it are very low, and the money will likely be wasted. Nice, I've managed to hit it for the 2nd time. Now I'll just play until I wager the bonus. I have finished bonus wagering and can start the withdrawal. I'm withdrawing my reward to my Bitcoin address. I'm refreshing my Trust wallet and yes, the Bitcoin has arrived. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in the next one.